Hi, welcome back. Next is the basic concepts of TQM. So you'll go to see the introduction to the basic concepts of TQM. So for total quality management, you have some basic concepts to understand to bring it to your company or a service to a very good quality. Okay, so before talking about this introduction to this basic concepts, here we have to discuss something called as the challenges with service quality. So, in this service quality, there are some challenges being faced. One is this: the customers does not have, or the customers have different expectations, and they vary. These expectations will vary. So they have different expectation or expectations vary, so they keep on vary. So we need to have a look on that, and you should answer properly to them and give a proper name. And next one is each customer contact is will be a moment of truth. So customers contact, as we call it, as the moment of truth. So what does this mean, moment of truth? The word moment of truth means the real fact what they speak. No, for example, if they have services done, and maybe after a few days the customer returns back with an disappointment, and he comes and shouts at the person or the service or the company, says there's nothing done better, nothing done good, is everything is been wasted or something. He shouts at the way. So the moment of truth comes from him, but the problem is like he has maybe the problem with the service, or maybe he would have not understand, or he would have done other the problem will be from his side. So the customers usually will show such kind of reactions, and they give a moment of truth to that service centers. This is becoming a greatest challenges for the service personals. And the next one is that design, the fail setting design. Fail setting design must be designed into the system. The fail setting design means, like, if in the service there is some error is happening, or if the service done to a customer, if there is an error and it's a common error and it's a big error, that such failures should be taken into the system of the company, such that it will be overcome. It will be overcome in the future, and such failures will not happen in the future. So that is the main thing about the fail setting design that must be designed into the system. So with this challenges, and now let's see what is the basic concepts of TQM. So there's a basic concepts. So in this basic concept, it is very much understood that a committed and involvement management should be provided from top to bottom level. So all in the company, from the top management to the bottom level management has to have a committed and involvement towards the work, so as they can support the organization. Then an unwavering focus is required. See, when you fix a objective of your company, or when you fix the total quality management principles of your company, you should not have a wavering focus. There should be an unwavering focus on the customers. The next one is the effective involvement and utilization of entire workforce. Effective involvement and utilization of entire workforce. So this is very similar to the first point, the commitment and involvement of the management, and which also includes all the employees from there. So this is very similar to this, and also you should have a continuous improvements, consumer continuous improvements of business and production process. So, for example, if you say a car company is manufacturing or that is doing a business of selling its car, it keeps on updating its versions. So, just for the reason like the improvements has been employed in the cars. So, even you have different options of variants. For example, even if you have a software downloaded from the from any domain, and if you are using the software, maybe after a few days you will have some updation in the software. So, these are they are just improving their quality through this updations. So continuous improvement of business or even the product process is also more important. Then treating, this is very important, treating suppliers as partners. So suppliers are the one who actually is the base of your company. Like if you are manufacturing any product, each and every materials will be supplied from different people or different service providers or different companies, and these you need to treat your the suppliers as a partner of your company. Only then you will get more, like you will have them, you can maintain the quality of it. Then next one is the establishing performance measure for this process. You need to establish the performance measure. You need to measure your performance every time. Only then you will come to know how good you are in your quality and how good it's going on doing itself. So these are the things which comes under the quality of your the basic concepts. So basic concepts covers all these topics. There is a commitment, and then unwavering focus on your customers, then effective involvement and utilizations, continuous improvements in the business, treating your suppliers as a partners, and establishing the performance measure is more important.